Hello,
Hello,
how are you today?
I'm good.
Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hello, teacher. My name is Ngọc. I'm 6 years old. I'm here. I'm from Rome and I'm teaching Vietnam. I'm happy and cut and sing.
Ready? What's this?
And
Don't speak.
boy, cat, dog, elephant, food, girl, hop, insect, anchor, gem, food, kick, kite, let, live,
Who's this?
family, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, sister, brother,
Colours, what colour?
yellow, blue, orange, green, cat, red, pink, white, purple, brown,
Very good. What's this?
pink flower, yellow flower, red flower, white flower,
Yeah. Ready?
1, 17, 6, 4, 3, 20, 5, 16, 11,
11? 11.
11, 13, 14,
15.
15, 4, 19, 9, 1.
Thank you. My body. Shh. What's this?
And 9. Eat a head. Eat a leg. Eat a mouth. Eat a nose. Eat an eye. Eat an ear. Eat an arm.
Can you tell me about my teddy bear? My teddy bear has...
2 ear. 2 eye. 1 mouth. 1 nose. 2 arm. 2 legs.
Very good, yes. Animals. What animals is this?
Cat. Dog. Love. Okay. Snake. Bear.
What's this one?
Bird.
Bird and
Okay.
monkey, yeah. Activities. What can you do?
Run. I can run. Swim. I can swim. Sing. I can sing. Hop. I can hop. Jump. I can jump.
Very good. Food. What food do you want?
I want a banana. I want a cooking. I want a sandwich.
Very good. Toys. What toys do you have?
A ball. I have a ball. Car. I have a car. A teddy bear. I have a teddy bear.
Very good. School things. What's this?
A book. A pencil. A bat. A ruler.
An
An
eraser.
eraser.
Eraser, that's right. What's this one?
Car.
House.
House. Living room. Bedroom. Kitchen.
Very good. What's this?
Bedroom.
But I sleep.
I sleep in a bedroom.
Yes.
I wanna
I
I
cook.
cook in a kitchen.
Yes.
I wanna living room.
I watch.
I watch TV a living room.
Yes, I do. Thank you. That's the end. Bye-bye.